Hey guys, what's up? It's K7 and I have another video for you guys today. This is part 2 of my budget build PC box opening. Hope you guys enjoyed the last video. I thank most of you for watching it. I appreciate that a lot. So today we have another box that we need to open, and I think I know what this one is, but let's just spare me and let's open the box. All right. This one's a lot easier than yesterday's box. Oh, whoa. Okay, the stand kind of fell there. Sorry about that. All right. The half's open. I'm going to cut these sides here. All right, so as expected, well, you can see a little glimpse of what that is, but let's take a look here first at our CPU. And right here I have the Intel i5 4460. I think they have a K version of this, but this is the regular one. This one's non-overclocked, and this one will run at 3.5 gigahertz. It has turbo boost technology, so that means it'll go higher. This one can't be overclocked, so this is a pretty decent processor, and you know, it's pretty affordable too. I think at the time on Amazon it's $187, but once again, for this, I will leave links down in the description for everything that I've bought here on Amazon. So, of course, we can already see kind of what that one is, but let's put this to the side here. And yeah, that's the processor I'll be using, the 4460 processor. It's on a 1150 socket, by the way, and compatible with Z97 and Z98 motherboards. And here we see this is our graphics card. Here we have the Evga Gtx 1050 Ti. As you can see, and this is the FTW model. This has GDDR5, and this is 4 gigabytes. This card was kind of expensive. Price fluctuates on Amazon, but I kind of got it a little cheaper. But this is the FTW. This card here, I will be also reviewing. I'll be benchmarking it once I, once the PC is built and everything, and we'll also be, I guess, benchmarking the CPU here. So here we have the Evga Gtx 1050 Ti FTW. This is the 4 gigabyte model, so it costs a little more. You can, you can get it at an affordable price. It depends on when you buy it or where you buy it. But again, I got these from Amazon. You can get those links down in the description and find out what exactly parts I bought for this particular build. Now, I will be building the computer very soon. The rest of the parts will be here very soon. The only thing is left is a keyboard. So the keyboard's left, and the mouse, well, the mouse, I've already had the mouse, so didn't really need to buy a new one, so that's not going to be added. But yeah, there's only one part left, and that's the keyboard. And the keyboard I also will be reviewing here on the channel. So there's the keyboard, and then the last thing, also the motherboard. So the motherboard and the keyboard should be here tomorrow, and I will be pushing a part 3 to this video because, well, there's 2 more parts, the motherboard and the keyboard. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you disliked the video, hit the dislike button. If you have any comments or questions about the parts or anything else regarded in this video, leave a comment down in the comment section below. Or if you just want to leave a comment, you can also do that also. Also, feel free to share and subscribe for more videos like these. Well, anyways, guys, until next time, this has been K7. I'll see you guys later. Peace. And stay tuned for the 2018 upcoming budget build right here on the channel. All right, take care.